I have always believed that teaching the next generation of woodworker is vital to the overall health and well-being of this amazing trade. Because of that, the Imagination Woodshop has partnered with industrial tech teacher Mr. Adam Schmittendorf on a series of short safety videos specifically designed to help the beginning woodworker. Our hope is that this information can help you be both successful and safe as you begin your woodworking journey. Enjoy.
Welcome to the Spartan Wood and Metal Shop. Today's safety video, we're going to cover one of the most useful tools for a beginning woodworker, the Scrollsaw. As we talk about shop safety today, let's talk about PPE. Again, pants, closed-toed shoes, safety glasses is always a must. I'm wearing a shop apron, it's not required PPE, but safety glasses, pants, and closed-toed shoes are for working in the shop. Our scroll saw is one of the most common out there, a DeWalt, and it's variable speed, and pretty much its setup is very similar to all other scroll saws. With one exception, ours is a pinless. Some scroll saws have pins. You'll note that there'll be pins up and down. Ours is a pinless model, and therefore will have a unique setup compared to one with pins. When setting up the scroll saw, one of the very first thing is we need to look at our blade. Our teeth on our blade need to be pointed down. These come in all different variations. We're just going to show a simple setup. For myself personally, I like to work from the top down because, well, it holds the blade for me and I'm not fighting gravity. A simple knob at the top, just finger tight to hold it in. For down below, you're going to have to feel this one. There is a similar knob. It's the same as above. Just simply work it and push it back in and you'll feel it tighten up. You'll know it's in there because you can push from the back and the blade should not pop out. One last step before we tighten up our blade is we need to make sure that the tension's off. The tension scroll saw, you know, so lift up as you tension it there, lifts the whole arm. To release tension, we take it back off. This is also our last step as well. When we leave the scroll saw, we remove the tension. So as we approach, if there's a blade in, simply loosen the top, tighten it back up, and then tension to where you get that nice twang. To see if it's properly tensioned, give the blade a quick pluck. And I've been told a middle C is the right sound. The very last thing before we get started is our speed. Now for a beginner, like most of you are going to be, a lower speed works best. This will crank all the way up to 8, but around for a beginner scroller, 6, 7 is the way to go. Our last thing to do is now it's properly tensioned, we have our speed set, is to lower the guard on top of our workpiece. So our workpiece should easily slide underneath. Most advanced scrollers will remove our guard, but remember one of our safety rule is we must have all guards in place. For a beginner scroller, the guard helps keep the workpiece from also jumping up and down, which is #1 cause for blade breakage besides too much pressure. Now, don't forget with this machine, it's got a very, very fine, delicate blade. So proper pressure is a must, meaning the machine has to do all the work. Thumb pressure, meaning thumb pushing against it, is all the further pressure you need to go and slowly let it eat away at the material. Also too, that provides the best control and the best ability for you to follow your lines as you make your cuts. Thank you for watching our safety video on the scroll saw. Remember, nothing replaces proper shop safety. If you ever have any questions about setup, use, or what the machine can and can't do, and even thickness of material to run through it, ask your instructor for help or refer to its owner's manual. Again, I'd like to thank you for watching our videos on shop safety.